Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner Channel. Subscribe to learn how to use your daily planner to get organized, stay focused on your goals, and create a powerful plan for your life. In this video, we are planning for the week of May 13th in the classic size Geo Dreams Happy Planner. I just did the flip through, which I'll link up here, of the last 4 sticker books I needed from the Happy Planners spring collection. And as I was flipping through, I found some that I really liked, which are these rose gold and pink and purple floral ones. So those are my inspiration for this week. And I found a few more that match and coordinate from those actually all 5 of those sticker books. I found some stickers. So let's start off with the Neon Light sticker book. It has a page of like washi shaped stickers, and I'm going to use those as my washi tape for this week. So there's a few different ones that have like pink and purple on them. So I'm going to just grab those and just kind of put them on here somewhere. Let's see, that fits the side, so I'll just put it there. I've been decorating kind of the middle of this planner, and then I write things on the top and the bottom rows, kind of, to track things that I work on for the planner channel and videos that I post. So let's put some stars over there and some stars over here. And then there's a couple more that are pink and purple, little quotes on them. So I thought I'll add those too somewhere. Maybe I'll put a box sticker there on that one. Okay, next is box stickers. I did find one box sticker from this Fun Florals mini sticker, tiny sticker book, and it's this one. The color is blue, so we might need to pull in a little bit of blue, but it has that rose gold floral pattern, and it's so pretty. So I wanted to use that from this sticker book as well. So I don't know where I'm putting them yet. So let's just get started. Maybe I'll put it there. Just because I don't know where I'm putting everything yet. I'm not sure. I think I'm going to leave that open. Let's put it, I don't want it in the corner. I'm going to do another floral box. Maybe I need to find another floral box too, so I can put one over there. All right, I'm going to put it here. No, here. Here's another box that I want to use. I just like the colors. This is from Pastel Tropics. And it's a quote, but it's in those pretty kind of pastel ombre colors. Maybe that'll look good here. Maybe that'll look good here. I'm not sure how this spread's going to turn out. I guess I want it even to the bottom. Okay, let's add in these pink and purple, or pink and orchid color box stickers from Happy Year sticker book. I like these different sizes of boxes. So since we have 2 in that color, let's put 1 on each side. So let's put the small one over here. Well, let's see. Too big together? No, we'll put the small, we'll put these 2 on this side and then that one over there. Okay, so I need a place to put these 2 on the right side of the page, or I guess the right page. Okay. Put purple up here somewhere. Ooh, maybe it would look good like that. I love that. Okay, it's going here for sure. Should it go this way? No, I kind of liked it like that. That's fancy. Okay, let's put this one down here. I wish it had a background. That would look good with a background too. Let me see if I can find a background for this one. Okay, I looked everywhere for a background sticker and I finally found one. Here's a little pink polka dot from Neon Lights. That is perfect for our color theme. So I'm going to put that one down here and layer it kind of the way we did that. So I love how that kind of overlaps. So I'm going to do that on this side too. Oh man, you're going to be able to tell if I get it straight or not because of these dots. So I'll try to be careful there. Okay, I don't think I'm going to put this third box on here since we already have one on each side. So let's see, is that going to be it for box stickers? I think we need more box stickers, so let me see what else I can find. I like the Spring Vibes sticker from the Happy Yearbook. That kind of helps to balance out that blue. So I'm going to put that one on this side over here at the top. A little bit crooked. Okay, let's do some checklists and bullet points. I like these 2 checklists from the Happy Year sticker book. So let's put one, maybe one on this side and one on that side. Let's put one at the top and then one at the bottom. I found these colors in the colorful boxes. I thought it'd be fun to put one on each day because it's got all the colors of the spread. So let me find a spot to put one on each day from this. It's not really, it's kind of like a check, like a to-do. It's not a whole list. These are each one's individuals. So maybe I need 2. Maybe there should be 2 open each day. They won't fit on this day though. So let's put 2 here. Let's put 2 of the same color here. And then 2 of the next color. Oh, I should have done a different color here. Let's see. Pink, purple. Maybe. Okay, I'll put blue here. I think 2 blue. I think I'm going to put a quote in the middle here somewhere. I'm not going to put those here as they just won't really fit. And I have that checklist on that day. So let's do 2 more. So I'll put one here and here. These other 2 colors. It's like purple. Then this pinkish purple. Okay, I think I'm going to add some more checklists and bullet points, but I want to make sure I have room for my quote and kind of figure out where it's going to go. I think it's going across here or here. Oh, it could go all the way across. Okay, that's what I'll do. I'm going to trim this and put each word so it'll go all the way across. Do what makes you happy, or do what makes you happy. Yes, we'll put do what makes you happy. That'll be cool. Let me get my scissors. Okay, I trimmed off of happy, and that'll go last here. Not sure how all that's going to fit. I don't want to, okay. Oh, I like that. So let's see if makes and you will fit over here. Okay. Oh, I like it like that. Let's make the U kind of sideways. Just like that. That's perfect. Okay, so then this side will get the other 2 words. Something like that. Do what makes you happy. I want to add some of these florals in a couple of places. So definitely this corner, because it doesn't have anything. It could use some florals. Maybe like this one. Oh, I like that. I want to add this purple floral over here on this side, but not the whole thing, because I don't think the whole thing will fit. So just want this much of it over here. Okay, I found these 2 little daily tasks. I want to put those on our 2 checklists on the opposite colors, like so. Maybe like this. This is in the neon book. Okay, I found these 2 in Pastel Tropics. They're like little trimmed circles. These are cool. I love these. Let's put one here on the pink side and one here on the purple side. Okay, I love this blue sparkle, so I'm putting that around some of the words here just because I like it. I think I can put this blue kind of in between here. So there's just some sparkle there. And then maybe we can trim one of these strips to put some around here. And over here. I like that. Create a powerful plan for your life. Click the link in the description to download your free Power Plan checklist. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, and hit that thumbs up button. See you in the next video.